welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build an expense tracker with charts in Google Sheet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Sheets. So once you open your Google Sheets, you need to simply label your columns like with date, description, category, amount, and payment method. After this, you can also enter your expenses and use formula for calculation. You can simply calculate your total expenses through the help of Google Sheet itself, calculate category totals and percentages as well. Now you can add charts for visualization, like simply select your data, highlight the range, and insert chart, like go to insert and tap on chart. Now you can choose your chart type as well, like pie chart, column, or line chart. Now customize your chart and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.